Unit 5, adding 7 sum up to 30. In Unit 5.1, we're adding 7 to numbers up to 15. Let's look at example A. We have 13 plus 7. Because we have a two-digit number, we can combine the two ones positions of 3 and 7. Well, 3 plus 7 is 10. So we write down the 0, we carry the 1 over into the tens position. Now we have the 1 from the 13 and the 1 that we carried to get a 2 for a final answer of 20. Let's look at example B. 6 plus what number equals 13? Let's kind of count. Basically, you're going to count from 6 to 13 and see how many marks you make. So we have 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 7 marks, so we are adding 7. Unit 5.2. We are adding 7 to numbers up to 17. Look at example A. We have 14 plus 7. Here we could either use your marks or you could just combine together your ones positions. So if we combine together the 4 plus the 7, that is 11. So we write down the 1 and we carry the 1. Now we have the 1 from the 14 and the 1 that we carried to get a 2 for an answer of 21. Let's look at example B. What number plus 7 equals 15? Let's go ahead and use our marks and count from 7 to 15. We have 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. You have to count your marks. There are 8 of them. So that means we started with 8 to add 7 to get 15. Unit 5.3, adding 7 to numbers up to 19. Example A, we have 19 plus 7. Let's use our marks on this one instead of combining the ones position. So we have 19 and then we have 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. 7 marks, and we ended with 26. Example B. 14 plus what number equals 21? Once again, we're going to count from 14 to 21 and see how many marks it takes. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. You can see that we have 7 marks, so that is the number we are adding. Unit 5.4, adding 7 to numbers up to 21. Example A, we have 15 plus 7. Let's use the technique of combining our ones positions together. 7 plus 5, okay, you have to kind of think about that, but we have 3 plus 2 is going to give us 12. So therefore, we write down the 2, we carry the 1 over into our tens position. So now 1 plus 1 is also 2 for an answer of 22. Example B, what number plus 7 equals 23? We're going to go ahead and count backwards here because we know that this number is smaller, so we're going to count backwards from 23. 22, 21, 20, 19, 18, 17, 16. Let's double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And we ended with 16. So 16 is the number we started with. Unit 5.5, adding 7 to numbers up to 23. Example A, we have 17 plus 7. Let's combine our ones positions together. 7 plus 7 being 14. We're going to write down the 4, carry the 1. Then we have the 1 plus the 1 is a 2 for an answer of 24. Example B, 15 plus what number equals 22? Let's just count. We have 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. We have 7 marks, so we are adding a 7.